What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dan and today is a very significant day for me. Today I accept delivery of my fourth supercar in under a year. And if you guys have been following me, you'll know that the first one was a white Huracan. A couple months after that I moved on to an Aventador Roadster, a matte black Aventador Roadster. A couple months after that I moved on to the black Aventador SV, which you guys are all familiar with. And today I accept delivery of the fourth one, which will be in the garage simultaneously with the Aventador SV. Let me know what you guys think about this spec, and if you guys have any opinions about it, if you guys like it, if you guys hate it, what you hate about it, what you love about it. Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your opinions on different types of specs, because if I do go ahead with the SVJ, I want a little bit of help on speccing that car, because it's kind of a big decision. So let me know in the comments below, guys. hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. If you guys do like the video, please throw me a thumbs up. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support and all the positivity, and I'll see you in the next one.